Hello, my name is Paweł Sokołowski and I'm a distributed capabilities developer at Consumer BG Software. Introducing video calls into your app might seem like a huge task, involving a lot of application side and backend work. Also, handling performance and security concerns. However, with Huawei Caas Kit, you can immediately tap into the existing MeTime functionality and rely on our service available to over 600 million users. No backend needed on your part. And in the app, simply use Caas Kit to integrate MeTime easily. First, let's see a brief introduction to MeTime.
Huawei MeTime, high-quality video call experience. Simply select the MeTime app to dial. Up to 1080p ultra-clear video quality. Now clearer in low light. MeTime supports third-party devices, even pulling the feed from your action cam for a whole new perspective. MeTime supports screen sharing. Share your screen during a call so your friend can follow you every step of the way. MeTime also connects to Huawei Vision, SoundX, and other smart devices, so you can seamlessly continue your MeTime on a bigger screen. Huawei MeTime.
MeTime is a game changer. It can support up to 1080p video calling, even in areas where users have weak cellular or Wi-Fi reception. That is thanks to powerful optimization bundled with the feature. MeTime offers a compelling value package, with not just video calling, but also doodle functionality and device virtualization, that is letting you use any compatible camera, TV screen, or microphone instead of the ones built into your smartphone. All just as if they were parts of the device. Let's take a closer look at each of the main three aspects of MeTime that your app can benefit from. Starting with virtualization, which makes it possible to take advantage of all the devices your users have, not just the phones. Don't get me wrong, smartphones are great, packing the most important inventions of humankind in a pocket-sized form. But why use a smartphone screen while sitting comfortably in your living room, right in front of a conveniently large display? That display can take the experience of your call to a whole new level. With MeTime, you unlock that potential seamlessly. And the same goes for cameras, speakers, you name it. The only reason we weren't yet taking advantage of it was how prohibitively difficult a task it would be to get everyone together to use the same standard. With MeTime, you can join an existing ecosystem of hundreds of millions of compatible phones and a quickly growing number of other devices, not just TVs and so on, but also action cameras, drones. Sky's the limit, for now. So, we've explored briefly what other devices can be used in a call. But sometimes it is precisely the smartphone screen what you want to share. And with it, share the experience as well. Shopping, navigating through complex UI, you can reach out to a friend, a coworker, a customer. And for a more immersive experience, draw on the screens to convey ideas even faster. A solid screen sharing experience might eliminate commute necessity on multiple occasions, as it closes the gap between calls and in-person meetings. With MeTime, you can have it for free, both financially and development time-wise, as it's already there, baked into MIUI, waiting for you to simply tap into it. Finally, the foundation of the former ones, a video call. Let your users tap into the MeTime's video calling functionality. With a single touch, they will initiate a call via Huawei MeTime, enjoying the top-notch quality and stability, along with multiple great features, some visible immediately and some quietly doing their work in the background, constantly ensuring the quality and the performance. Because with Huawei MeTime, you're getting an outstanding performance. Low bandwidth means calls over all kinds of networks being possible, and not just possible, but possible in up to 1080p quality and with a smooth frame rate. MeTime adjusts to the network conditions on the fly, ensuring you get the best quality at all times. In challenging conditions, it automatically enables super resolution technology to compensate for loss of video quality. Additionally, Huawei's Link Turbo technology is used. It automatically switches between Wi-Fi and cellular signal based on the quality of each connection. And it does that seamlessly in the background. Not to mention exceptional AI-based low-light performance, thanks to the facial recognition technology, which together with other optimizations allow it to perform excellently in low-light scenarios. MeTime will keep you seen clearly, even if you're in a dark room. The way to use MeTime in your app is through the Caas Kit. It's a simple SDK which does the heavy lifting for you and exposes a simple-to-use API. Caas Kit is great both for smart device manufacturers who can make their devices ready for the audience of 600 million users who can use MeTime currently. And it's great for app developers who can easily tap into the functionality and unlock access to all of the compatible devices with little effort. Before we take a look at the Caas Kit closer, let's first see how it's related to MeTime. As you can see, Huawei provides all of the backend support as well as low-level code on the device. So what remains to be done is to just add the kit to your app and start a call. More on that later. Worth noting, the entire audio and video communication is of course encrypted end-to-end. Huawei MeTime is very easy to use, but it's equally important to keep it easy to integrate into your product. And with all the complexity of the task at hand, a simple API is especially important. The Caas Kit is just that. It takes away all of the burdens of managing low-level issues like hardware compatibility, encoding, adapting to changing network conditions, retaining quality across all of those with advanced algorithms and dedicated servers, not to mention security. Instead, you can just focus on your business needs and deliver your new feature at ease. So how to use Caas Kit to make a call? First, register your app in Huawei App Gallery and add Caas Kit's dependencies. Then simply initialize, make a call, and release resources once you no longer need to make new calls. And just to give you an idea what it looks like in code, we initialize, make a call, and sometime later we release the unmanaged resources, a small price for having low-level issues handled for us completely. A pretty simple foundation to build upon, isn't it? Of course, as you use more and more of the features, the code will inflate a bit, still within bounds of manageability. The Caas Kit is available in EU now. With the kit so simple and powerful, MeTime has already been successfully integrated by other companies. Let's see one such success story from our great partner GrabJobs. Please welcome Emmanuel Croy, the CEO of the company.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel Croy, the CEO and co-founder of GrabJobs. GrabJobs is Southeast Asia's leading hiring automation platform, and our mission is to connect employers and job seekers seamlessly. We wanted a way for employers and job seekers to interact over video call. That's when we integrated the Huawei Caas Kit. The Caas Kit is based on the Huawei MeTime service, which makes in-app video calling fast and smooth, even in countries with weak network signals and slow connection. The kit detects bandwidth, then uses seamless software and hardware collaboration to maintain a stable call. It's been a great experience for our users, and it's also super easy for developers to integrate. It only took our team a few days to get it up and running. We're looking forward to working more closely with Huawei to continue delivering great products to our clients.